In Windows 10, the Settings feature is introduced and it is simple to work and very user-friendly when comparing to its predecessor Control Panel. It offers you an easy way to personalize and control many critical operations and features, such as Windows updates, user accounts, privacy, networks, etc. However, Settings sometimes stops working. For example, Windows 10 can't open Settings or Settings menu freezes hangs after opening. The issue of Windows 10 settings not working is reported by many users, and it always occurs because of corrupted system files, corrupted user account files, etc. How do you fix Windows 10 settings not opening? If Windows 10 can't open settings, you can try to reboot your computer to check if the issue is solved. If this fails, you can try other methods shown in this video. Check if the Settings app is enabled. Due to some reasons, you may have disabled Windows settings via Windows Registry Editor or Group Policy, so the issue of Windows 10 settings not opening happens. Having a check is a good idea. Input regedit in the search box and click the result to open Registry Editor. Head to Key Current User, Software, Microsoft, Windows, CurrentVersion, Policies, Explorer. If Explorer doesn't exist, right-click on Policies and choose New Key to create it. Right-click on the right empty area, choose New Word 32-bit value and name it No Control Panel. Double-click the key and ensure its value is 0. After trying this way, restart the PC. If the Windows 10 settings not working issue persists, continue using other methods to fix it so as to let it open and work properly. If there are some corrupted system files, perhaps Windows 10 can't open settings, so running a SFC scan could be helpful. SFC, short for System File Checker, is a tool that comes with Windows operating system. It can be used to scan for system and restore corruptions in Windows system files. Open command prompt in admin mode via search. Input SFC scanner and hit enter. This will take some time, so wait patiently. After trying this way, restart the PC. If the Windows 10 settings not working issue persists, continue using other methods to fix it. If SFC scan results Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files but was unable to fix some of them, then run the DISM command. Again open command prompt in admin mode via search. Input this command and hit enter. After trying this way, restart the PC. If the Windows 10 settings not working issue persists, I will show you one more method to fix it. Because of the Windows 10 settings app not working, you can't create a new account via the app. If you are running Windows 10 Pro, use Command Prompt instead. Open the Command Prompt window with admin privileges. Run this command. Then, you will get a message saying the command completed successfully. Replace new username and new user password with the actual username and password that you want to use. Next, type the second command and hit enter. To make the new user be an administrator. Sign out of your current account and log into the new account. If Windows 10 can't access settings after you try all of the above methods, maybe you need to reinstall the operating system, which is the last resort.